Geol India is a subsidiary company of Geol Limited Japan and Geol Asia Singapore. Geol India was established in year 2010, and before that it had direct presence through various agent companies in India. Since then we have been recruiting a lot of manpower, doing a lot of investments for the Indian market, supporting Indian market. There's an immense focus on the service support in India with a lot of inventory of spares. We have a demo and application lab for scanning electron microscopy at Delhi, and we have a wide range of equipments from scanning, transmission, electron microscopy, XPS, EPMA, NMR, mass spectrometers, EBX. We are expanding in the field, not only in the field of electron microscopy, but with the launch of new models like cryo-TEMs. There is a huge potential to grow in this market. Along with that, there is a huge amount of interest coming up for the dedicated E-beam lithographies also, for which Geol has been a pioneer in the field for long. Currently, Geol India has 7 offices all over the country, and we plan to expand further with our application labs and manpower. Geol is committed to serve the Indian scientific community for long. In the coming years, we plan to have more and more of application staff with the help of our Singapore and Japan office. We plan to conduct a lot of seminars, workshops, interactive schools, training schools. We already have collaboration centers at Institute of Science Bangalore for our NMR center, where we do a lot of research together, and we have a joint publications coming up. In addition, we are planning one at TIFR. We have a MOU signed with Institute of Life Sciences at Ahmedabad as well as at LPU. So wherein our FESCMs, SCMs are at display. So that is where it is. And for that reason, we have been growing well, and we perform that we can really do good in coming years and serve all the Indian community much better the way it has been.